Hello and welcome to another episode of my tutorial videos. In today's video, we are going to have an overview of the Microsoft Ads account. Now, if you are already in the digital marketing or advertisement space, or are planning to step into that space, Microsoft Ads account is a very valuable alternative over the other advertisement platforms, for example, Google. It has its own features and benefits which stand out as compared to the other ads platforms. Now, this will also answer your question on why would you want to advertise with Microsoft. So here are some unique features. Firstly, it allows you to enhance, broaden, and maximize your reach on the Microsoft platform because it is also associated with some other search engines. For example, Yahoo or AOL or LinkedIn profiles. Another important feature is that it will reduce the cost of your advertisement. How? Because there is a less volume of searches on the Microsoft search engine, and there are less advertisers advertising on the Microsoft Ads account. Therefore, there will be less competition in that space, and your cost per click or your overall advertisement budget will be lower as compared to other platforms like Google. Another important aspect is that you can do LinkedIn profile targeting. This is very important for those businesses who mainly have B2B interactions. What this means is that you can have your ads targeting based on the information gathered from the LinkedIn profiles, which would be very helpful for your business. Finally, Microsoft has a demographic which are slightly older, but more affluent. So the businesses who are specifically wanting to target those demographics would be requiring the Microsoft Ads account for their advertisement piece. Now, let's have a look at how the Microsoft Ads account looks like and have a brief overview of the Ads account. Now, for demonstration purposes, as always, we are going to work on a test account. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to log into your Microsoft Ads account. If you do not have one, you will have to sign up for a new ads account. So therefore, in order to sign up or sign in, simply type ads.microsoft.com in your web browser, and you will be brought to this particular window. Now, automatically, it will ask you for your credentials to log in, but that will only work if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, the easier way is to click on the Sign Up Now blue button on the top right-hand side of the screen. Now, there are some points which I would like to mention here once you sign up for the new ads account. So the most important point is when you sign up for the new Microsoft Ads account, it will ask or prompt you to create a smart campaign. Otherwise, it will not allow you to create an ads account. Now, what I would suggest is that you start creating a smart campaign just by putting some random information in there, attach your card details, and choose the payment method as post-pay. So you do not have to pay upfront or any upfront charges for the ad campaign which you just create. So once the smart campaign has been created, Microsoft will create an ads account for you. Once the ads account has been created for you, you immediately go into the ads account and pause the smart campaign which you just created, because that is not relevant and that is not what we want. After that, there is another step where we have to switch from the smart mode of the ads account to the expert mode. It is because the expert mode of the Microsoft Ads account allows you to have many more campaign types or campaign options which you can use to start your advertisement for the business. So I'll log into the Microsoft Ads account, which we have created for a testing base, and then I'll show you how you can move from the smart mode to the expert mode. Now, in our case, I've already switched to the expert mode, but I can show you where you need to click in order to move to the expert mode. So let's get started. So I am simply going to log into our test Microsoft Ads account. So here we go. We have logged into our test account for the Microsoft engine. Now, if you want to move from the smart mode of the ads account to the expert mode of the ads account, what you will have to do is that in the top right-hand side of the screen, you will have this option tools. If you click on it, there will be an option right underneath in the middle, which will say switch to expert mode. Once you have clicked on that and confirm, you will have an ads account looking just like mine. Otherwise, your ads account will be different to mine if you're in the smart mode of the ads account. So make sure you switch to the expert mode of the Microsoft Ads account. Now, there are three main campaign types which you can create to advertise for your business. They are the search campaigns, the display campaigns, and the shopping campaigns. Now, you can always jump into the creation of campaigns by simply clicking on campaigns in the left-hand menu, and then you can click on this plus create sign to create a new campaign. It will ask you for the goal you're wanting to achieve out of your campaign, and then you can proceed with the creation of a campaign. For example, if you're an e-commerce business and you sell products on your website, so the goal for your business would be sell products from your catalog. You simply click on that, and then you can select a campaign type. Which one would you like to create? A smart shopping campaign or a standard shopping campaign? Now, the shopping ads usually appear in this manner. These are all the shopping ads which are appearing at the top. They have a price attached to them, they have an image attached to them, and the name of the product you're selling, and of course, the name of the brand. They are very popular for the e-commerce business. The second type is the search ads, which are mostly relevant for those businesses who are service-based or have B2B interactions, or who are wanting to have leads or inquiries from their websites. So in order to have those ads in your ads account, you can simply select your goal. For example, conversions in my website. I've selected that goal, and it gives me with two options. One is the search ads, which I would recommend you do that if you're wanting leads from the ads account. And the other one is the audience ads, or in other words, display ads. So the search ads usually look like this. They have several headlines and descriptions, and when people search for specific target keywords which you have chosen, they would be shown your search ad, and it will appear in the search platform of the Microsoft search engine. And then people can click on it, visit the landing page of the website of your choice, and then inquire if they want to. The second option is the audience ads or the display ads. The purpose of these ads is mainly brand awareness and reach. So you're wanting to target people so that you can make them aware of your brand. Now you can have several images, videos, and some text in there to showcase these ads on different third-party websites and apps which are allowed by the Microsoft platform. So they are purely for brand awareness and reach purposes. Sometimes you might see some inquiries or leads from these ad types as well. So if you're wanting to create any ad campaign, you will first have to select your goal, proceed with the type of the ad campaign you're wanting. Then you will have to create your ad copies. If there are shopping ads, you will need to attach your product catalog from the Merchant Center. Or if there is a display campaign, you will need to add some images there, add some landing page there, select the budget for your ad campaign, select the location targeting, and then set your ad campaign live. This is how you will create your ads in the Microsoft Ads account. Another very interesting feature of the Microsoft Ads account is that if you're already advertising on the Google Ads or the Facebook Ads platform, you can simply copy your ad campaigns or ad copies from those particular platforms and paste them into the Microsoft Ads account, which is a very handy feature. So if you click on the drop down right next to the create button, you can see import from Google Ads or import from Facebook Ads. What it will ask you to do is to link your Facebook Ads account or the Google account with the Microsoft Ads account. And then it will automatically start picking up the campaign types, which you can import and start your ad campaigns immediately in the Microsoft platform. Some other features out here or some other utilities of the Microsoft Ads account, if you click on the Tools button, you will have an option under the planning, which is called Keyword Planner. So if you are doing the search campaign types, you can click on this option and it will allow you to search volume data and trends available on the Microsoft platform, get some performance and cost estimate for the keywords you're wanting to target, and also look for some new keywords. Look what the volume for those keywords is looking like, what is the cost per click, etc. Just setting out the strategy and plan for your search campaign. Some other options, if you're wanting to change some billing settings, change the payment methods, that's under the setup and billings and payments. If you're wanting to give access to another member of your organization, you can simply click on account access and add more users. You can choose the type or role you want to assign to them, and so on and so forth. The main thing is that before you start any kind of advertisement on the Microsoft Ads account, you need to make sure that your conversions are set up. Now, this part is a bit technical and requires an intermediate level of knowledge in order to set some conversions. What could be the conversions? If you're an e-commerce based business, the conversion would be a sale on your website. If you are a service-based business, then that could be a contact form submission, a phone link click, an email link click. Once you have set these goals up in the Microsoft Ads account, then when you start running your ad campaigns, you can see the data metrics in a proper manner. It would be more useful to see the data metrics because you're wanting to see, okay, how much sales have we made? How many inquiries did we get? What kind of inquiries we got? So on and so forth. Only having clicks and impressions might not be beneficial for you in this scenario. Now, this was a brief overview of how a Microsoft Ads account looks like. As I mentioned before, in order to set up the Microsoft Ads account, strategize or implement any ad campaigns on the Microsoft Ads account, you might require an intermediate level of knowledge. Now, if you're wanting to have some help around your Microsoft Ads account, please feel free to get in touch with Wonks because our expert team can definitely help you in this scenario. I hope you liked the video. If you did, a thumbs up would be much appreciated. Any feedback could be put in the comment section. I'll see you next time. Thank you very much.